Hey guys, it's Kevin here from Formula Performance. Today we're going to do an unboxing on a Sachs new clutch kit, a superset for the 2009 through 2021 Dodge Challenger RT with the HEMI 6-speed. Unfortunately, this clutch will not work with the 2011 Dodge Challenger RT with the HEMI because it changed the spline count from 26 to 10. It's kind of a one-year only thing, the 2011 models. We're going to dive right into what's inside the box and take a look. Okay guys, the box is open. We're going to take a look at what's inside. Got some packing. Got a clutch disc. We're going to take a look to see if it matches up to the current clutch disc that's on the car. Appears to be a perfect match. Take this and put this to the side. Open the rest of the box here. What we have inside here is a throwout bearing. This is part of the reason I've got a new clutch kit, is because my throwout bearing is starting to make a lot of noise. It's seized, and on startup you can hear like a grinding noise. So unfortunately I had to take the whole transmission out to replace this. Appears to be in good shape. I'm going to put this to the side. Also, we have the pressure plate here, which appears to be an exact match to the stock one. Appears to be no difference. I believe Sachs is an OEM supplier for Mopar and other major manufacturers, so it's no surprise that this kit is going to be a perfect match for a Dodge Challenger RT with the HEMI. Also in the kit, we got a little bit of grease. We got a new pilot bearing and a clutch alignment tool, which will make installation a breeze. Okay guys, we're going to take a look of what we've completed so far with the Dodge Challenger. Here you can see the Tremec TR6060 6-speed Dodge Challenger transmission. We have taken this transmission out with jack stands to lift up the car approximately 18 inches or so. Now, be it this is a difficult job, I would not recommend this to anyone who has not done a clutch job before. It is a very tight space. The bolts could be rusted and seized. I recommend spraying everything down and giving it a little bit to soak in, especially exhaust bolts, because they're going to be under heat cycles and rust, debris. Just take your time. Hopefully you won't break anything. Now guys, this can be done, but give yourself at least a day to do this if you have not attempted this before. It is not easy, but possible. Guys, we're going to take another quick look at the clutch kit. Again, you can hear that this is the stock clutch. Again, it was in decent shape. I did not want to change it, but my throwout bearing was making a tremendous kind of a howl. Just the bearing itself had seized up on it. They are a perfect match. Again, this is the pressure plate right here, and this is the fiber disc, the throwout bearing. Also, you get a little kit for installation and a pilot bearing. If anyone wants to know, that's the part number on the box here. I'll leave a link in the description of the part number. Now, I believe these kits are still available. If not, you may be unfortunately at the mercy of getting a Mopar replacement or some other replacement like a I believe a Lux or a high performance clutch kit, which could run upwards of $1,500. Now guys, I hope this is helpful for someone trying to do a clutch job on their Challenger. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I truly appreciate it. Thank you.